Hey guys, welcome back. Do you ever clean your house for it to feel like it never actually gets clean? In today's video, I'm gonna share those 10 spots that even the pros sometimes miss that can make your home feel gross even when it's clean. This video is part of a spring cleaning collab called Mega Motivation. I'm gonna put a link down below to all the other spring cleaning videos. You don't wanna miss them. Let's talk about walls for a second. This Airbnb sees a lot of people. It's a high traffic place. And obviously people coming here on vacation aren't cleaning. So when the professionals are coming in, they're just doing surfaces and they're forgetting about the biggest surface of all, which is the walls. So there's grime on the walls that just needs a few minutes to spot clean. Speaking of walls, don't forget the light switches and your door handles. I don't know, like all around light switches have like black fingerprints and all around the door handle because your fingers have oil, which also has dirt. It's transferring to the door all around the handles, making it feel like just gross. Can we talk about baseboards for a second? I feel like baseboards are the most neglected spot in the home when it comes to cleaning. One of the reasons I think baseboards do get so dirty is because we're not vacuuming enough. So there's a lot of dust in the air, there's dirt, there's debris that's landing on that ledge of the baseboard. I have to thank Eufy for sponsoring this video. They reached out to me last week and offered to send me their brand new Robovac G10 Hybrid. It's a robot vacuum and it's a mop in one. And I'm like, yes, please. Because this is what is making this place feel dirty. It's the floors. There's crumbs, there's hair, there's dust, and it just cannot get clean enough. I'm sweeping all day and I feel like it's never getting clean. I need a robot vacuum. So I'm testing this one out today. When your floors are getting vacuumed every day, there's less dust on your surfaces, there's less dust on the baseboards, there's less dust on the walls and in the air. Everything is cleaner when you're vacuuming every day. And a robot vacuum means you can have your floors vacuumed every day, but you don't have to lift a finger. And it's so quiet. Like, I just cannot get over how quiet this is. I'm in love. I'm so ridiculously in love. Honest first impressions, this is amazing. This replaces the old vacuum, the broom, the dustpan, the mop, the bucket, all in one beautiful little robot vac and mop. I'm really in love. I'm gonna put a link down below for more information, including a promo, so you can save some money. No matter how often you're mopping your floors, if your grout is stained, your floors are looking dirty. And I'm not a big grout cleaner, but there is something to be said by a little elbow grease and a sponge, maybe some bleach. This one needs bleach, but a good scrub of your grout can instantly brighten your floor and make it look so much fresher and not like a tired old floor. This is not a great tile. It's pink, it's cracked in some areas, but just cleaning the grout transformed it and made it feel like a new tile again. The first thing I noticed in this Airbnb is that the kitchen felt grimy, and that's when I noticed that the front of the cabinets were filled with dripped food, water stains. So make sure that you're washing the front of your cabinets probably once a month. Another space in the kitchen or in the bathroom that gets neglected a lot is behind the sink. So either the backsplash behind the sink or the backsplash behind the stove, the wall behind the sink in your bathroom. Water can splash there, grease, food when you're doing the dishes, whatever it is. That is a hot spot for grossness. And it's something that we just don't pay enough attention to when cleaning our house. And just looking at the kitchen, if your counters are sparkly clean, but your backsplash has food on it, it's gonna feel like a dirty kitchen. Don't forget light fixtures like lamps or anything that's lighting your home. They are magnets for dust and cobwebs. These ones are also filled with bugs. Give them a good scrub. Also pay attention to your sink and taps and behind the tap. Oh my, the bathroom tap was so grimy. I mean, it's not a new tap, but it has water stains, and behind it was all filled with like old toothpaste and other unmentionables. A shiny tap, even if you have a dated bathroom, can make your kitchen or bathroom just feel so fresh and clean. So give your tap and behind the tap a really good scrub. And last but not least, slight trigger warning, this is gross, but behind the toilet. This is so neglected, and I mean, this is an Airbnb, so people are probably coming in and they're partying, and there's probably a lot of dudes up in here. And yeah, behind the toilet, under the toilet bowl, because if there's, just wipe it. Just wipe it, friends. Just please. It's gonna make, if your bathroom's like, why do I clean the bathroom, but I smell an odor of urine. Oh, it's because it's behind the toilet and it's under the toilet bowl. So yeah, let's wipe that. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you're feeling inspired to just scrub something today. I certainly feel better being in this Airbnb. It feels so much cleaner, and it didn't take very long to tackle all of these 10 areas and make it feel and smell a whole lot better. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So if you watched a video before where I talked about our neighbors that love techno dance music, but only between the hours of midnight and 8 a.m. That's when they blare the music, and it rattles the walls and it vibrates the whole entire, like our bed's like, brrr, and Izzy's like, I can't sleep at night because their music is so loud. And then honestly, it's so loud that even when it does shut off, you hear it and you're like, are they still playing it? Is this what's going on? So we ended up ratting them out to the landlord. And I feel bad about this, but we did. We told the landlord that the music was blasting loud, and the landlord threatened to evict them if they weren't quiet, and we haven't heard a peep from them since, and I feel so bad. I feel guilty. They're a bunch of kids, they're here on vacation, they're renting this for a couple of weeks, and now they have to not listen to music. But we share a balcony, so I see them walk past all the time. I see them out on the balcony, and we make eye contact, and I feel real bad, you guys. I feel I'm that old lady that shakes my fist and tells, turn down the music. That's me, and I'm not sure how I feel about it, but I'm getting a really good night's sleep, so I'll see you guys next time.